testimony, which was the key to enter Islam or to embrace Islam. That's in Arabic. And then I will say that I want you to repeat with me word for word, and then we say the meaning. Okay, are you ready? Okay. That is Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Simple phrase. Now I want you to repeat with me, okay? Say it with me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Well done. Okay, you say the meaning now. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and his messenger. That's it, mashallah. Yeah, congratulations. So you accepted. Did you understand the meaning now? Are you happy with it? Do you believe that God is Allah, is only the God, the creator? He has no father. And Muhammad is one of the messengers. He's the last one. No messenger comes after him. And whoever follows this statement becomes Muslim. Now you become the sister of every Muslim. That's how we believe, because God made all the believers as brothers and sisters. Okay, most welcome, and may Allah accept our heart to learn more about Islam.
So you become now as pure as when you were born, like your age now is you are 0. So you've been no sins.
We're forgiven completely.
You are forgiven completely, and now from now on you will be judged, and will be your action and deeds will be recorded by Allah. So you need to make sure to become as good Muslim as you can by gaining knowledge, by asking questions, by following the good instruction, a good example from the Muslims. Now, the beginning is very difficult, it's very hard. So to start, become a good Muslim, you need to learn how to pray, and all the pillars of the Islam, 5 pillars of the Islam, you need to know them very well. For being for being a Muslim, for me, 35 years, I've got questions every day. So for you, I'm sure there's so many questions. I'll be giving you some books as well now. If I've got some, just to teach you more about Islam and make you believe settle inside your chest more, because the most important thing, the belief is just stay inside you and you believe in it from inside, and then that's automatically going to reflect in your action. If your belief is inside, your heart is strong and you believe in it, so that will make your action